problem number 3. We have this 10-inch by 12-inch picture that we're going to enlarge, and we're going to put it on a 15-foot by 10-foot wall. And if this picture is not distorted or rotated, what is the greatest fraction of the wall that can be covered by the painting, or that could be covered by the painting? Okay. Well, let's take a look at what we got. We have 10 inches by 12 inches. You can see essentially the horizontal, the width of this picture is a foot. So you can see it's long. This picture that we're enlarging is longer than it is high, and the wall is higher than it is long. So we're going to be limited by the width of the wall, okay? Because we can only it looks, if we have 1 foot down here, then we can enlarge the picture 10 times, and then the width will be filled, but the height won't be filled. Okay, so we know how big we're going to enlarge this thing now. The other problem we have is that the picture is in inches and the wall is in feet. So I'm going to convert the wall dimensions to inches. Okay, so if we take 15 feet times 12 inches per foot, then we'll get the dimensions in inches. Okay, in the same way down here, if I take 10 feet times 12 inches per foot, then I'll get the width of the wall in inches. Okay, and I'm really not going to bother multiplying these out because I know I'm creating a fraction. I'm going to make a ratio of the area of the picture in the final largest dimension to the area of the wall, and so I'm going to be dividing, and so sometimes it's easier to leave it in the factored form. Alright, so what's the final area of the picture? If we scale this up 10 times, then let's see, the width will be 12 inches times 10, and the height will be 10 inches times 10. Okay, so essentially 120 by 100 inches. Alright, so that's the total area of the wall that will be covered. And the total area of the wall, now we want these units to be compatible, so that's why I converted this to inches. So we have 15 feet times 12 inches per foot, and we have 10, oops, hang on, where'd my pen go? There we go. We have 10 feet times 12 inches per foot. And so now you can kind of see why I didn't bother multiplying these out, because I can easily just, you can see that like 10 over 10 is just 1. Here's 12 over 12 is just 1. And let's see, if I divide both of these by 5, then this is a 2 and this is a 3. And let's see, I can actually get rid of this 2, and then this becomes a 6. And what else have I got here? I've got, I can divide this by 2 and I get a 5. And divide this by 2, I get a 3. So what have I got left? Everything's all canceled out here except 5 on the top. And in the denominator, I've got 3 times 3, and everything else is canceled out. So I have 5 over 9. And that's my answer. The ratio of the area of the enlarged picture to the area of the wall, okay, when we've got the picture enlarged to as big as it will go, is 5/9. So 5/9 of the wall will be covered by the picture.